Welcome, everybody. It's Delores. I'm just a pink girl living in my pink world here on YouTube. I would like to start this video off by saying thank you to everybody for your well wishes and your prayers. I did have emergency surgery. Um, had some procedures, almost like a second surgery, and so I am home. I have trying to get a little bit acclimated. Uh, for those who know, still doing the liquid diet. So we're trying to get back to getting back to myself, and I appreciate all of those who have reached out from Auntie Ellen to ARD to my best friend who I talk to every day. I talk to her every day. I was in the hospital every day. I've been home. Ruby, I so much appreciate it, and there is nobody who implements being a good soldier, a good friend, just a good overall person in Ruby. And that's why I always tell y'all go check out the Ruby spot. Listen, Ruby spot is the jam. She cooks, she's holy, she's hood, she's fun. She's just everything you need her to be when you need her to be it. So I'm really here for one thing. This right here. I don't know if you all can see it. It's kind of. There we go. I got a package in the mail from the Salon Diva V, because she is the place to be, ladies and gentlemen. So we're about to open this little package. I also appreciate the pinkness. Made me happy. Um, it made me get up out of the bed and want to get on camera to do this. So, ladies and gentlemen, I know she got this thing wrapped up tight though. Ain't nobody gonna say they broke into this. She's like, not today, Satan. And listen, ladies and gentlemen, I got a good pair of scissors. I got like a good thick pair of scissors. But let me see if I can pull the tape out. Okay, now I got the tape off. Okay, got it. Ladies and gentlemen, I will insert a picture at the end of this because I need a little help. I'm very nerdy, very tech savvy, but one thing I am not is a normal Cricut user. And today I have a brand new Cricut. So I want to find out what materials people use. I have right now some glitter iron on, and I have some ideas of how I want to use it. But we never know. We never know. So here we are. Okay. Okay. Getting all of it out. There we go. Oh, see the little necklace and earrings I want. And it's pink. So let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you. Also, I appreciate her wrapping it up good. So, okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's bring it back a little bit. Put it, put it like this. Oh my God. This is so beautiful. Oh my God. I can't wait to wear this. This is so pretty. And she sent me her card. Appreciate it so much. Got a card from her. And some seeds. Yes. Today it is sunflower and snapdragon. So as soon as I get a chance, definitely gonna do that. We have a nice note. I won't read it. Um, okay. Make sure on Thursday nights, I think sometimes she does her jewelry. So if you want to buy this or anything like this, go check out Salon Diva V. And she sells jewelry and it's affordable. I might have to, after seeing this, go get me some more. Well, this is pretty. And it has the little matching earrings. Oh. So again, ladies and gentlemen, uh, I want some help. Delores, insert here. I want to learn how to use my Cricut. I have a new laptop. It's going great. I can now officially say I can do screen share. So I will be doing some live tutorials too. So make sure you're in the building because I might pick you to come up and we work on something for you because I really want to help the community get to where they want to get people's pages where they want to show people the ins and outs. Because not only do I do Canva, I do YouTube, I do StreamYard, I do just about everything. Now we're doing Copilot with Microsoft, everything. I want to be able to help people make their vision of their channel come true. So until then, everybody, I want to say peace.